Flowers are a central part of many celebrations, including weddings, birthdays, graduations, and even funerals. But unfortunately, these glorious bouquets of flowers do not last forever, and at some point they will shrivel up and die. And with this idea in mind, I decided that I wanted to make a bouquet for my brother's graduation that lasts forever. Of course, fake flowers do exist, but I wanted to make something a little bit more special for him. I like to say that I'm somewhat of a creative person. I know how to sew, knit, and apparently now I know how to crochet. I recently learned how to crochet, and it scares me whenever I look at some of the questionable things that I created when I first started, and those motivated me to improve as fast as possible, and I think that it did work. Anyways, my brother is graduating from university today, and I decided to use my newfound skill to make something special for him. The color that he likes the most is purple, but I didn't want to make all of the flowers purple, and even the packaging wasn't purple, so maybe next time I'll incorporate his favorite color in a little bit more. And let me tell you, packaging these flowers is so much harder than crocheting them all, and I needed to look so pretty, but then in the end I just stuck with this. But my brother insisted that the packaging was fine and there's nothing to worry about, so he actually, during the graduation photos, he took it out of the bag to hold them, and I hated that. It looked so bad in my opinion, but everyone else thought it looks good. We arrived in Wales a little bit earlier than expected, so we went to the beach and the weather changed so dramatically compared to all the rain that was going on our way here. And the sun was shining, the sky was clear, and the weather was just perfect. It's like the sky knew that he was graduating today and decided to switch up and make a nice, happy atmosphere. That's how sudden it changed. We went to get food and ice cream shortly after we arrived. We actually got the ice cream first because the food was taking so long to come. Then after all of this, after spending time on the beach and everything, we went to this art gallery place. It wasn't really an art gallery, it was more like a place that had lots of handmade items and obviously some paintings. Finally, it is time to attend his graduation. No amount of words can describe how proud I am of him, and that's why, even though I'm a beginner at crocheting, I wanted to learn really fast, and I spent a long time learning and making this bouquet because I just knew that he would appreciate it. And the thing about me is that whenever there's a celebration or a special event, I love hand making things, whether it's baking or crocheting or sewing something, because I feel like the aspect of something handmade just makes it so much more special.